Now, rational numbers in between 0 to 1, infinite number of rational numbers are there. Very good. Now tell me, in between to 0 to 1, how many rational numbers are there? In between 0 to 1, how many rational numbers are there? Again, we have infinite rational numbers. Okay. Now I am asking you, in between 1 by 10 and 2 by 10, suppose 0 to 1, it is divided by 10 parts. Okay. In between 1 by 10 and 2 by 10, how many rational numbers are there? Again, you are saying the answer as infinite rational numbers are there. How will you explain? Can you give me one number? Nishant told infinite numbers are there. Correctly, he told. Now give me one number between that. Anyone?
20 by 100.
20 by 100 and 10 by 100. Correct, Nishant. Very good. We can clap for Nishant if you are in the school. Now you can also clap. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now you see into 10. Into 10 I am doing. So when I do multiplication 10 in numerator, I should do denominator also. Why? Why should I do in denominator also multiplied by 10? Then only I don't disturb the
That time only it will
fraction.
be equal, ma'am.
Then only I don't disturb the fraction. All of you mute. I will explain and then you can, if you ask question, you can put unmute and speak. Okay. When I multiply by 10 in numerator, I must multiply 10 denominator also. So that it is called equivalent fraction. I am not disturbing the fraction. I am not disturbing the fraction. So 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. 20 by 100 is equal to
2 by 10.
very good, 2 by 10. So this only I am writing like this. This only I am writing like this. So I can write many numbers between this. 100 by 11 by 100, 12 by 100, 13 by 100. Like that many numbers I can include. This can be done with any number into 100. So there are infinite rational numbers between 0 by 10 and 2 by 10. So there are infinite rational number between any two integer. Okay, that we know very well. Last year we studied. Now we are studying there are infinite number of rational numbers between rational numbers. So x is infinite means the uncountable numbers. We cannot count. So many numbers are between there. So today's lesson is that only. Okay, what is today's lesson? How do you insert the number between the number given? So take page number, exercise number. If you have a textbook with you, please take your textbook. 18. Page 18, first question. Sixth question example, please. One of you read. One of you read. Yeah.
Ma'am, shall I read, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, one of you read.
Ma'am, shall I read, ma'am?
Yes.
Write any three rational numbers between -2 to -1.
So write any three rational number between -2 and 0. See, this is integers. So when we simply see in between this, we have only -1, 0 only we have. We can write 2, but there are we have 3. We can write these 3 and we can stop it. No problem. Okay. But because every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. We can write this and we can stop. No problem for this answer. Okay. We have tried -1, 0, 1 are the three rational numbers. They are also integers, so no problem. Three rational numbers between -2 and -2 and 0. Go to the next question. Next example, example 7, you go. Read Sai Sabrish. Many are there. Always Tarunesh will speak. Giri, Manoj, Nishant is speaking. Others are not at all speaking. Why?
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Yes, please read. Who's this? Danush?
Samanth.
Samanth. Read Samanth. Very good.
Find any 10 rational numbers between -5 by 6 and
slowly,
5 by 8.
Okay, write 10 rational number between. Write 10
Minus
rational number
5
between. Minus?
-5 by 6.
Yeah.
5 by 6. And? 5 by 8.
Correct. So minus to plus. So if you're given a fraction like this, rational number like this, keep your denominator same. Okay. So multiply this with 4. Multiply this with 4 and 8 with 3. You get the LCM is 24. Correct. So when you multiply 6 4s are and same 4 should be multiplied here. So what you will get? Minus 20 by 6 4s are. Answer.
24.
Same way, multiply here also by 3. 5 3s are
15.
15. 8 3s are.
24.
24.
See, when denominator is there, same, then we know how many numbers are there in the inside. So, you can write many numbers. They are asking 10 numbers. So, write down 10 numbers. Minus 19 by 24. Minus 18 by 24. Minus 17 by 24. Minus 16 by 24. Like that you can write. Minus 15 by 24. Okay, you can write from this side also. See, 14 by 24 you can write. 13 by 24 this side. Okay, 12 by 24, 11 by 24, 10 by 24. Like this also can write. So these are the 10 rational numbers between, you should write final statement. Okay, these are the 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. These are the, should write down here. These are the 10 rational numbers between these two. Okay, these are the 10 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay, any doubt in this? Do you understand how to do? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
If they ask you one
Yes,
rational number,
ma'am.
children, we have a formula. Suppose we have one rational number. Write one rational number. Suppose the question is write one rational number between any one number. It's given, that is the next example, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. You use a formula A. This is called arithmetic mean, which this is average of these two. So A plus B by 2, arithmetic mean. Okay, we can do this method also. That is easiest method. This is one of the mathematical method which we can use in statistics. Okay, so when I add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, again LCM 1 plus 2 divided by 2 I will get. So 3 by 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2 you should do carefully. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, so you get 3 by 8. So what is the answer here? 3 by 8. If they are asking one rational number, you can use this formula. A plus B by 2. Okay, take one number as A and another number as B. Add both and divide by 2, you get. If they are asking one rational number. Okay, 10, 6, 5 and all is asking, which I taught you is the easiest method. That's all. You can easily do your homework. So you can do your homework and take weekend rest and study for the test. I'm going to give you one written test evaluation, self-evaluation test. Okay, exercise 1.1, 1.2 on Tuesday. So keep studying for that. Okay, now homework is 3rd, 4th, 5th. Three sums homework for weekend. Thank you, children. Any other doubt you have, children? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you do the sums?
No, ma'am.
Can you do homework sums
Ma'am,
without any doubt?
excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.